Good morning, everyone. This is Sonal, your social science teacher. I hope you all are doing very good. Today, we'll match answers of block 19, which we have completed. Be ready with all your essentials and match your answers. Match PQ1. PQ1 is how does television help in connecting the world? With the help of television, we can send news to thousands of people at the same time to different part of the world, and we can also watch various programs of different countries in the television. In this way, television help in connecting the world. PQ2, what is the difference between import and export? Import means to bring goods from other countries, and export means send goods to another country for sale. Next, what are the things that lead to water pollution? So, various human activities like throwing garbage, waste of factories, medicines, non-biodegradable waste like plastic cans, and washing animals, washing utensils, bathing, and throwing statues of gods during festivals. These are the activities that lead to water pollution. Next, how has the increase in trade led to the depletion of fossil fuels? Answer is because of the increased trade, people started using more and more vehicles to export and import goods to another countries, and vehicles need fossil fuels to run, and because of the more use of vehicles, fossil fuels is finishing, which led to depletion of fossil fuels. PQ5, how can science and technology have a harmful effect on human beings? Though science and technology is very important and very necessary for us, and it would be very difficult living without science and technology, but modern machines and more use of laptop, mobile phones, television, internet is affecting human eyes and brain, which causes headache, stress, less thinking power, memory loss, weak eyesight, problem in sleeping, physical inactivity because of the use of modern machines, lack of attention, and low creativity, etc. PQ6, how does climate change affect human beings? Because of the climate change, temperature of the earth is becoming hotter day by day, and because of this, during summer, stepping outside is becoming very harmful, because our skin and eyes can affect because of the UV rays, and survival is becoming more difficult. And because of the climate change, intense or very strong drought, storms, and flood due to rising water levels of ocean and seas is affecting human health and their jobs also. And PQ7, what steps can the government take in order to reduce air pollution? In order to reduce air pollution, government can ban deforestation, because to set up many factories, many forests are being cut down. So government can take strict action towards this. Government can also ban the use of vehicles which use fossil fuels and cause air pollution, and government can promote the use of CNG vehicles. Government can ban firecrackers during festivals, and government can arrange space for factories to be set up instead of cutting the trees in forests for this purpose. Next question 8. Trade and communication have some good and some harmful effects on the world. List some good as well as harmful effects. So some good effects of trade and communication are communication, different modes of communication like television, mobile phones, messages are connecting people of different places of the world and giving us various information, and because of the trade we can get variety of things from different countries, and we can also sell extra things and get profit. And what are the bad things? Because of the increased trade, people are using more and more vehicles for traveling and to importing and exporting their goods, which creating air pollution and depletion of fossil fuel. And to set up more factories, more forests are being cut down, and overuse of electricity. These are the things, bad things or harmful effects on the world of trade and communication. And bad effect of communication, like people started using SMS and mobile phones more instead of meeting people, and visiting them frequently or during festival. And because of this, people are becoming more shy, and they don't feel comfortable to talk to other people or new people, and stopped sharing thoughts and knowledge with each other. So these are the answers of these questions. Match your answers and do the necessary corrections. If you have any doubt, you can ask. Take care everyone. God bless.